Here we're just looking at a Euro US dollar 60-minute chart, and just to walk through some of the scenarios here, we have price has rallied, and we had a parabolic move here with a doji star in the middle, and then price has fallen, and we see these kind of some long wicks down here where price formed a bottom, and then price has rallied and then started to turn, formed a railroad track at the turn. And then this dragonfly doji here, what it does is price attempted to rally and failed to move higher and came all the way back and formed another nice dragonfly doji, and price has fallen and made a low down here. These vertical lines separate the days. This was a weekend here, but separating the days. And here we see price is rallied, a railroad track, and it has fallen. And let's just move forward from this point here. Price consolidating. What do you see here now? What we see is price had made a low here, had rallied, consolidated, and at one time this candle was a full bearish candle trying to make lows below this low. It was rejected and formed this dragonfly doji. And what do you think will happen after the dragonfly doji is formed? That wick that you see there is a price exhaustion from that point. We see price now start to rally, and if you entered a trade here at say 28.10, price has already moved to 28.70 and above. Price taking its natural swings, a small doji as the day comes to an end, and let's move into the next trading day session. Price is now making a high here. What do you see here now? I'll tell you what I see is I see this support, which is becoming resistance, which we'll cover in the next section. But price opened here, it rallied all the way up, trying to exceed this high and failed, and came down here and failed, but we see a point of indecision at a potential reversal point right here. And here I would be looking for the possibility of price moving down if it gets below 28.80. Price moving down now, and I would watch for it to go after these lows right here, and I would expect a bounce at these lows as well. There's our run at the lows and a bounce also at the 10-day moving average. And price consolidates below the lows. Just want to show you a couple of these candlestick formations and how price responds to these formations.